In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Microsoft Word. Underlining is a simple formatting tool, but it can make a big difference when you want to highlight titles, important phrases, or key points in your documents. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most common and useful ways to underline text, so you can choose the method that feels most natural for you. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Click anywhere in your text and type a word or sentence that you'd like to practice with. To apply a basic underline, start by selecting the text. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the word or phrase, or by double-clicking a single word. Once the text is highlighted, look toward the top of the screen for the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Font section, you'll see an icon that looks like a capital U with a line under it. Click that button, and your selected text will immediately be underlined. If you prefer using your keyboard, there's a faster way to do the same thing. With your text selected, press Ctrl+U on Windows, or Command+U on a Mac. This shortcut toggles the underline on and off for whatever you've highlighted. It's especially handy when you're editing a lot of text and don't want to keep moving your mouse to the toolbar. Sometimes you may want more than the default underline style. Maybe you want a double underline or a dotted line for emphasis. To customize this, select your text again, then go back to the Home tab and look at the Font section. Next to the underline icon, there's usually a small arrow or a drop-down. Click that and you'll see a list of underline styles, such as single, double, thick, dashed, or dotted. Choose the style you like, and Word will apply it to your selected text. You can also change the color of the underline without changing the color of the text itself. In that same underline drop-down, look for an option that lets you pick underline color. Choose a color that matches your document's theme, and it will update the line beneath your text while leaving the letters unchanged. If you ever decide you don't want the underline anymore, simply select the text again, and either click the underline button once more or use the keyboard shortcut to turn it off. That's all you need to start underlining text confidently in Word.